Hey guys, and welcome to day 4 of my 12 Days of Christmas craft series. Today's video, we're going to be actually aging a Santa mug. So let's get crafting. I have this Santa mug that is originally from Hobby Lobby. I've had it for a couple years. It's been in the back of the cabinet. We haven't used it. So I decided I wanted to do a little craft on it. Now I've seen this done a ton of times, but most recently I've seen it done by Bailey on Reclaimed Grace. She's one of my favorite YouTubers to watch. If you guys haven't seen her, go look her up and check her out. Everything she does is just wonderful. It's amazing. So I'm going in on this mug. First, I took it outside and I did give it a coat of um, like a clear top coat. And then I brought it back in and now I'm going in with the Folkart chalk paint in Cottage White. And I'm going to give it 2 coats. Now that our paint is completely dry, I've got this Crackle Medium from Folkart. I've never used it, so this is going to be the first time, so I really don't know how this is going to turn out. Now I'm just going in with a brush and pretty much just putting on a coat of the Crackle Medium over the whole mug. Now, once the crackle medium is dry, the instructions say to let it dry at least an hour. I think it was been about 2 hours for me. So I've got this DIY dark wax, and I'm gonna go in and give the whole mug a coat and let it sit for a little while. I'm then gonna go in and wipe back the excess, just taking it down to how I want it to look. You can leave as much of that wax on there or take as much of it as you want off to give it the age look that you like. And here's how it turned out. It didn't turn out completely the way I had planned. The crackle was not as visible as I've seen other YouTubers do it, but it was still pretty and aged. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. This was a quick and easy project. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps my channel out. It'll help it grow. Come back tomorrow for our next 12 days of Christmas craft, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.